Discover the dinosaurs. ये कौन सा डायनासोर है बताओ? प्लेसियोसॉरस। आपका फोटो खींची डायनो के साथ? पकड़ लोगे आप इसको? कितनी डेंजरस है यार। डायनो की पूछो, देखो देखो कैसे बिगल कर रही है। ओए ओए ओए, इसका मुंह देखेंगे आप। ओ देखो 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 इस मुंह में, देखो 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 कैसे देख रहे हैं, लुकिंग एट अस। Is it a T-Rex? No, it's not a T-Rex. Yeah? Something else. I'm not sure what's this. Let's go to this side. Oh, this is a big one. What's that? Look at this. Oh, you know it. Wow. Brachiosaurus! Oh, look at it! Wow! Look at its neck, how tall it is! It's making noise, its neck is moving! Let's go! Oh, what's that? That looks dangerous! That looks dangerous! Whoa! That looks dangerous. Oh, what's the small one? T-Rex! That's a T-Rex! That's a T-Rex! No, it's not a T-Rex? Oh, what's a T-Rex then? What's this one? Oh, you're scaring me? Oh, what is this one? Oh, you know its name. And how about this one? Yes! Yeah! Which one? We are going there. Let's go. Oh, we have something here. This one flies. Yeah. Yeah, Diplodocus. ये इसका नाम मैं बताता हूँ, रुको रुको रुको। इसका नाम है Tuapandactylus. Where's the, oh, there is the T-Rex. What is this small little one? Yes, hello little one. And let's see the T-Rex. The dangerous one. Yes, T-Rex. Let's see the T-Rex. Oh, it's scary. Oh, it's scary. It's scary. Look at it. It's so big. I'm standing right under T-Rex. Dinosaurus. Let's go. It's throwing water. Sure. It's throwing water. I see. So it's like there's water. I will. It will throw water. Let's go. It's throwing water. There's one more. What's this one? With a bee. You know all the names. Where? Yeah. It's looking at me. Oh, how about this one? Oh, it's scary. T-Rex was the most scariest one. Oh, we got this cute one here. What's that? Stegosaurus. You know the Stegosaurus? Wow. Where? Yeah, what is the small one with the eggs? Yeah. Oh, here is the Velociraptor. This little one is also dangerous. It's moving his head, see? In hands. Cathisia. Pangea Mountains. Wow. Look at these ones. These are called Pangea Mountains. And oh, this is dangerous like T-Rex. That's not so dangerous. What's that one? With a horn. What's that one with a horn? Oh. That's also dangerous. Oh, that is another one. What's his name? Carnotaurus. And this boy is T-Rex. Wow, finally we explored it all. Oh, it was great. Oh, look at the beast.